Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Are you a 100% really willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't want later to hear that you were going to back out. We don't want later. Yeah,
Yes,
that's
yes,
why I am asking you that are you really willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
yes, ma'am. I'm really willing and wholeheartedly do my best to be in Malaysia, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any working, do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you
I don't.
healthy or do you have any health issues?
No, ma'am, I don't have.
Okay. So, why do you want to come here in Malaysia?
I want to come in Malaysia. Aside from being, it is our neighbor country. I want to have different connections with Malaysia, with the country of Malaysia, ma'am.
Okay. So, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, ma'am. Once again, ma'am, good morning po. Good morning. I'm Joanna Marie Agmata. I'm 27 years old from the Pabris of Ipa, Zambales. I have completed my college degree, Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Social Study, from the same school in the province of Zambales. I also have completed my vocational course, which is NC2. I am a NC2 holder, um, major in housekeeping. Um,
Okay. Oh,
I-
okay. So what happened, Ate? Why you wanted to come and work here as domestic helper? It's quite far away from your field.
yes, ma'am. I apply for this position regardless of educational attainment because my life here in the Philippines, the situation I am here in the Philippines is um, very full and sad, and I just want to help my family. That's why I take this opportunity to be a domestic helper in Malaysia.
Okay, so you know that you cannot easily go back home, right? You
Yes, ma'am.
have a 2 years contract. So you must embrace yourself. You need to get ready because be, your course is quite different from you wanted to come and work here, right? Being a
Yes,
domestic helper, as I mentioned, is very tough. But you could learn
yes,
something
ma'am.
or anything and then, you know? So
Yes,
I need
ma'am.
to know some few more details from you first, okay? You
Yes,
are
ma'am.
single or married?
I am a married person po.
Do you have children?
No, no, no. I don't have children.
No. Is your husband allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when is your birthday?
My birthday is on August 27, 1997. I was
Okay.
born in
So, sorry. Okay. Please
it's a,
go on.
I was born in Caloocan City, Metro Manila, ma'am.
Okay. What about your husband? How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 29 years old and his occupation is um, related to IT.
Okay. So what is your height and your weight?
My height is, if I'm referring to feet, I'm 5'3" feet
Okay.
and my weight is 59.
59. Okay. What is your religion?
My religion is Methodist.
Methodist. Okay. Your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia at the same time your husband also, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Joanna, I hope we don't have any problem once you come to work here in Malaysia, knowing that this your field is quite different from what you were applying for. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Don't
So,
worry. I also have experience in domestic helper, so I can guarantee
okay,
there
that's
will be no
good also
problem, ma'am.
because we don't want to have such a problem later once you come to work here in Malaysia, knowing that you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once you breach your contract, also you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fully aware of that.
Okay, so at least you understand what are those things that you need to understand also. Because who wants problem, right? We don't want also and you don't want also. So in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience as a housemaid. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
2022 to 2024, in which place in the Philippines?
San Pablo, Laguna, ma'am. Specifically in San Pablo, Laguna, ma'am.
Okay, so can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment in Laguna?
Okay, my duties to to my previous employer, Mrs. Cruz, was cleaning the house,
Okay,
um, cleaning, as
okay.
well as washing and ironing.
Sorry. You do house chores, cooking, and then you do laundry and ironing.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Did you take your children or any elderly there?
When I came to Mrs. Cruz, she has a teenager daughter, which is a two daughter, a 13 years old and a 20 years old.
Okay, so did you take care of these children or you just assist them only?
I just assist them only because they are teenager, ma'am.
Okay, 13 and 20 years old, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided to let go of this employer or why you didn't continue working to this employer?
I talked to my employer. I have just finished my contract with them, and they are happy with my service. Of course, they want me to renew, but I told them that I'm pursuing greater opportunities such as going to Malaysia, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm rooting for you also, ah. Don't give us problem later, okay? I will not
Yes, ma'am.
going to reject you because of your course. It quite is quite far away from your what you were applying for. But you try your best also to finish your 2 years contract. We don't want problem also, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So this one you work for 2 years, yeah?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what year did you finish college or your yeah?
Um, if I'm not mistaken, it's 2018, ma'am. It's year of
So you already got experience teaching.
Yes, ma'am. Quiet, quiet.
Right. Okay. So, are you okay to take? Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm aware of that.
You need to be flexible. And you need to be multitasking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time? I see that you didn't have any experience on taking care of children.
Yes, ma'am. I am willing to learn, as
Can,
stated.
can you take your baby?
I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
But are you okay or yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How will you gonna fight your homesickness knowing that I know that this is your first time working abroad and you will leave your husband alone in your house or in the Philippines. So homesickness will frequently attack you. What will you do and how will you gonna fight for it?
Okay, ma'am. First, I will focus on my work to distract any negative thoughts that comes to my mind.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I give you a scenario also.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened if your employer scolded you but you didn't do anything wrong?
Um, First, I will approach my employer. I will talk to her. Um, what did she find wrong about me? But not in a way that she may be offended to what I'm saying. And then we will talk about it, ma'am, and I will correct it, ma'am. I'm willing to listen to my employer, ma'am.
Okay. So I give one more scenario. Like for example, you are doing the chores inside the house, but then your employer is keep on following you. Will you get irritated or what?
No, ma'am, maybe she's finding it like, oh, she's doing it. She's observing if I'm doing the task correctly. So I won't get just irritated, ma'am.
Okay. So always respect the employer, okay? Because we're
Yes.
the one who are working inside their premises for 2 years. Always remind ourselves that this is not our house. This is not our country. In Philippines, as I have mentioned many times, we can do whatever we want, but in other countries, no such a thing. I also remind those candidates that always have respect, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problems, any concerns, inform the employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years and it's not us. If your employer didn't hear you out, then that's the time you could talk to us, okay? So that we could inform also your employer, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I think that's all for now, Joanna. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you.
you
Have
so
a
much and have a good day. Bye.